Hi.
Hey, good morning, guys. So we're starting on Williams seatbelts this morning, and we did a little bit of research because I've never done this style before, and I didn't want to take any chances, so I knew we were 100% correct. We do have to drill through the plastics on both sides, which is not it. That's why I was so worried. I'm like, we need to get a hold of William and ask before we do anything. I don't want to take any chances. Well, come to find out, which I was not aware of, there's already a drill mark here inside the car because it had an optional 3-point harness back in the day. So all we've got to do is take these pieces off, pop the back seat out, of course, again. Once we get the plastics off, we'll see exactly where our drill hole is. Then we just kind of drill through, boom, done. Lock everything in place. And the nice part is he's already had the retractable here on the floor. So we'll put the new retractable, instead of it being like this, we're going to pull it straight up and down or angle it over just a little bit. And then this portion will angle this way, so it'll be much easier to go right in like it's supposed to. So no issues. But yeah, it's going to be a good couple-hour project to make sure everything lines up right, fits right, and we're good to go. So William, hopefully before the day goes out, you'll have 3-point harness seats throughout the whole car. That's a promise.
Shh. Stay over there.